This is the first system that I installed for this customer. And this, in the future, I think is going to be the Conex Bar and Grill. I don't know if you've ever seen anything like it, let me know, because it was a really unique project and I just couldn't turn it down. It's a small system. You can see the conduit running up the side there for the solar panels, and honestly I don't even remember. I think I put 4 panels on there on the roof of the Conex, and I think they were like 350s. So what do you got there? About 1400 watts. And then so here we are, 12 volt. I've installed a lot of these MPP charge controllers and I like them. They work really well. And so we got a 3000 watt 12 volt inverter, and we've got loosen up here, we got battery banks down here, and I've got some extras over here. This is the original battery bank we started out with. These are Trojan T105s. These batteries came out of another system that she had that I upgraded to lithium, so I brought them up here. They weren't to the end of their life yet, so my intentions are to at least stack all these batteries in here for now. And we're going to upgrade this solar system, photovoltaic system, in probably this year. And we are going to build an awning out over all of this, like a carport. And I've got 10 650 watt panels. They're bifacial that I'm going to put out over here. That they're 8 feet long and like 42 inches wide or something like that. So they're basically going to cover this 40-foot Conex, give a carport, and then a lot more energy production here. So at that point, I'm going to reuse this. This is an Outback system. This is I think this is a 4000 watt Outback, 220 volt, so split phase. So I'm going to put this here, I think, and maybe we will move this stuff somewhere else. I've done a lot of projects for this customer, and like I said, everything is triple redundancy, and that's fine with me. Fine with me. I like little bite-sized projects, and can really do a lot with those. I'm struggling here. All right, moving on. Let's go inside here. I don't know. This is just kind of a cool little retro thing. At some point, this is going to be a little RV store in here, and so right now it's just storage. So I did all the wiring, all the conduit, and nice little fan light there. Just some simple lighting in here. This is going to be a store. Going to have your drinks and snacks and stuff at some point in the near future, and that's pretty cool. Got your little lounge area out here, and then up above, let's go check that out while we're here. I don't know, we got another Conex there. We could make this a triple decker. Say we. When I say we, I mean she. I mean this particular corporation. Alright, so this is the high desert. For those of you who don't know, if you can't recognize, this is the high desert. And we get a lot of strong winds out here. Hence the doors to keep debris away from the sliding glass. And then this is going to be the little bar, belly up to the bar. Kind of cool, retro stuff going on in here. And What'll you have, sir? Right now it hasn't got any windows in this, and that has turned out to be not such a good idea because a lot of things are blown around. Let me show you the top. See that? We got these snowboard lights, skateboard lights all the way around through here, and the customer actually put these lights together and then I installed all of them. These little these snowboards here are kind of hard to see. Yingling snowboard, place to put your beer, bar stools down below. This ought to be pretty cool once it happens. So come on, bub.